outside Benny's Barbecue at Yonge and Eglinton area, just north of a little bit. I don't know the address. I'll include that after I edit. So it's the chop brisket with barbecue sauce, but I wanted it on the side, so there's a bottle or a container of barbecue sauce. So here we are. It's a good size. I was glad it's not too big, but there we are on a live stream with my main channel, out and about with yours truly, Lizzo C. It's gonna be my review. I'm gonna put on my food channel, What's Cooking with Lizzo C. It's my first time here, so the tray is hot. I learned that because I touched it. So we are gonna dig in and see how it is. Have to stage it, you know. That in the frame. So we are recording on both my live stream and for the food channel. Let's try their coleslaw first. I never go for the coleslaw first, so let's do the coleslaw first. It looks good. Look at that. Okay. Good coleslaw. I see the dill. They put dill in here. Crunchy. All right. All right. I'm gonna try it without the barbecue sauce, just as is first, and then I'll add the barbecue sauce. It's good. Tender. It is messy. Fell onto the thing. Cheers. Gotta say cheers. Wow. I think I'm gonna squirt some of the barbecue on the tray. Pick up the fallen brisket. I'll dip it into the barbecue sauce. It's good, but my barbecue sauce is better. I make a good salty. It's good, but my barbecue sauce is better. But the Chinese beef brisket, it's more like a stew, but a thick gravy stew, I think. With Chinese bean curd sheets, so good. It's good. Now that Dickie's, what's it, smokehouse? Since they closed down and went under, they were, this is good. Too bad that didn't survive. The bun is fresh. Find out what their bun is. Take your bite. Yum. Take your bite, guys. Yum. I'm gonna make my barbecue sauce and bring it to them and see.
Sort of after 40 degrees, like a temperature thing. But it's hot. It's honestly. Well, when did you guys manage the orders this one? Sure. The reason I asked is
So this is my first time at Benny's Barbecue at 2409 Yonge Street in like a little nook between other stores, just north of Eglinton on Yonge, on the east side. So I'll definitely be back if I'm in the area, because I'm normally downtown. But if I'm in this area, I will be back to try the other things. I'll show them the menu after. I'll do a recording. So this is a good brisket. Yeah, and the bun is nice. But here you go. Take your bite. Come check out Benny's Barbecue. Yum. All right, come back on to show the menu. So this is their menu. The meat sides, they have platters. Well, my sandwich and my drink, our drink came out to about $30. So they have the platter for one for $30. That's not bad. So. Okay. And there we go.
One second.
I have to come back and try that.
Best bet is always call ahead or order online.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Ooh. They asked for the fatty side?
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Like, everyone has their like about the fatty and the lean.
Yeah, yeah.
Like 70 to 80% of people always ask for fatty.
Ah.
Beef tallow on it. I got you from Monday.
What is that? What
This
is
is just our beef tallow, so we render down all our beef trimmings.
Okay, beef trimmings.
Yeah, so all the stuff for our brisket, we trim it down.
So what is that, a platter?
No, this is just a a la carte order.
A la carte order. Oh.
Yeah.
May I ask what's the cost of the a la carte order then?
So for this order, for 3 pounds of brisket, 3 pounds of ribs, 3 full pints of coleslaw.
Wait. 3 pounds
3 pounds of brisket,
of brisket.
3 pounds of our side ribs,
Yeah.
3 full pints of coleslaw, 3 full pints of mac and cheese,
Uh-huh.
and 16 cornbread. After delivery fee comes up to around $360.
$350. Okay. That's good.
Wrap basically. Here's your side ribs.
That's your side rib?
Oh yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me zoom in. That's the side rib. Okay. Wow.
Nice and beautiful.
Yeah.
Smoky. Ooh, right on the dot.
So you weigh it then, right?
Everything's done by weight here. We never go under. If anything, a little bit over.
Uh-huh. So, sorry, how much did that weigh?
So this was 3 pounds.
3 pounds.
Yeah. Or if you want to be technical, 3.07.
Mhm.
3.07. A little 0.7 for each. Gotta get extreme stuff all.
I want to come work for a day here. For my channel.
I'll definitely ask our boss.
That would be fun. That's what I'm looking for. Businesses that will let me live stream and work for a day just to see how it is. And so all this is Canadian, right? This is live right now, right? So, okay, go ahead. So what do we have there?
Yeah, this is just our glaze.
Glaze.
Just to make sure it doesn't dry out during the transit.
Uh-huh.
So we have our side rib sauce, which is a simple syrup.
Okay.
Brown sugar water. Boiled down.
All house-made.
Oh yeah.
Is your coleslaw house-made?
Yep. Dressing is house made. We don't cut the cabbage ourselves.
No. Okay.
We just bought noodles and
Really?
for cheese.
Woo! Nice.